my name is Siena Negash. I'm a third-year PhD student in chemical engineering here at Purdue University. Come along and spend the day with me as a research assistant. This is Forney Hall, the chemical engineering building where I do most of my work. The first stop of my day is my office, so this is my desk and where I do most of my analysis and preparation. So the first thing I like to do with my day is make a little to-do list with everything I need to get done for the day. Here's a list of things that I need to get done for the day. I like to do this to keep myself organized. Now let's analyze some data. I work with cells, and this is how we track their position in a hydrogel. Had to head to the computer lab to grab a couple of things, but now let's head to the lab. This is our rheometer where we run bulk rheology experiments. Hi guys, so now we're heading to lunch. Okay, now we're gonna head to our meeting with my advisor to touch base on the work I've been doing so far. So the meeting just ended. I have a couple extra things to do for the day, but we're almost done. Hi everyone, made a quick stop for coffee. It's been a long day, so we need a little refresher. So now we're going to head to lab to do some work. Okay, so we're finally done with the day. So now we're about to head home, have some dinner and relax. Thanks for coming.